Good evening. As most of you already know, the West Indies created history in their test series against Pakistan, and not in the good kind. It was their first ever home test series defeat against the Pakistanis. And while every West Indian fan still tries to come to grips with how Shannon Gabriel brainlessly took an almighty heave off the final delivery of the penultimate over of a match the West Indies were trying to save, the match also gave us another reminder of why test cricket is virtually dead in the region and soon to be dead in the rest of the world. With the West Indies pulling off a thrilling win in the second test to square the series, setting up everything for the deciding contest, there couldn't have been a more anticlimactic start to the third test. From the opening day, both teams seemed content with ending the series with a draw rather than going for a win. Azhar Ali's first innings 127 came off 334 deliveries. 334! Craig Brathwaite's first innings 29 came off 123 deliveries with only one boundary, while Shai Hope made 29 off 116 deliveries with only 2 fours. If both teams played with the intent they showed in the last 10 overs, the match would have been significantly more exciting and perhaps would have had a result a day earlier. Now, a plethora of ideas have been thrown around about how to make the game's longest format more exciting, though the ICC have been reluctant to accept any of them with the fear that making any changes would compromise the integrity of the game. One place they could start is with the pitches. If the pitch in Dominica contained the slightest bit of life, batsmen would not just be able to prod around for an entire day while the scorers struggled to stay awake. But even then, any innovation made will probably only serve to delay the inevitable demise of the game's longest format. I'm Jordan Fort. Good evening.